Hello and welcome to my channel today, Boo Snakes and more. Today we're playing Dial Repair, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And for more videos like this, watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff, my youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games, or my oldest son's channel, his Stand Outside video.
Gas cards, it all adds up. With First Mid-America Credit, simplify your payment, save hundreds and earn a bonus. Transfer balances and get 2% cash back on what you move. It's money back for making a smart switch. Tap to start saving with First Mid-America. Approval and wait.
doesn't have to be confusing. Let's clear things up. It's a simple and safe nasal spray that can restore breathing during an opioid overdose. Anyone can get naloxone, no experience needed. You can find it at local pharmacies, no prescription required. Because an overdose can happen anywhere to anyone, having naloxone means being ready. Don't guess. Get real answers at a doseoftruthil.com.
See? You're card, bank cards, gas cards. It all adds up. With First Mid-America Credit Union, simplify your payments, save hundreds in interest, and earn a bonus. Transfer balances and get 2% cash back when you move. It's money back for making a smart switch. Tap to start saving with First Mid-America. Approval and rate subject to creditworthiness. Minimum $500 balance transfer. Other First Mid-America loan payoffs and current First Mid-America Visa. Minimum insured ICUA.